You will be notified. Don't worry. They're going to let you know. You know why? They want your money. I have a stack. When I was working at corporate, I was licensed in 48 states. And thank goodness corporate paid for that. I didn't pay for that. Um, yeah, it really was. But every time you would go to a different state, you would have to look up those laws. So it also slowed me down. Um, I could have written a lot more, a lot faster if I were just designated in a specific area, right? A local area. But when I started getting those letters in the mail, Arkansas, if you don't pay this, you're not going to have your license. I kept every one of those. I have a stack. It's my little reward stack. So, um, but yeah, some of these states, they're going to ask $200. They're going to ask $800. It really just depends. Every state's a little different, but trust me, you're going to be notified they want their money, just like anything else.
Thank you all for watching this here video.